My name is Dr. Tim Mills. I'm a dental surgeon at Fusion Dentistry. I've been practicing dentistry for 21 years. The most rewarding part of being a dentist is firstly meeting people in their current situation and seeing them through to a completed treatment plan and seeing the smile on their face. I've worked in many dental practices over the years, including my own practice. I would say Fusion Dentistry is different in that it's purely patient-focused. We love to meet new people and face the challenges that they're facing head on with them and just get them through to a beautiful endpoint. So I think we stand out head and shoulders above many practices in our patient focus. I enjoy working at Fusion because it's a great team. We have a lot of individuals with great characters, but also the patient type that we meet. It's so varied. People from all walks of life. It's just a really enjoyable place to work. A fun fact about Dr. Tim Mills: I enjoy playing the drums. I mountain bike regularly, taking more risk than I should for a gentleman of my age. And there are others, but I'll keep those to myself. Okay, I'll tell you about my dog. I have a rather large Hungarian Vizsla with great character who years ago I started an Instagram channel with, and it blossomed. We had a rather large number of crazy followers from all over the world. We're winding it down now, but him and I, we regularly reminisce and laugh about it.